Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So welcome to the MCQs challenge solution videos. So if you are new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications in time. So let's quickly discuss about the MCQ challenge. So we are coming up with the MCQ challenge of cost accounting and financial management for your upcoming attempt. Through this, you will get to know where you stand, what are your preparation levels, and accordingly, you can make the amendments in your preparation strategy. So let's see. And MCQs, please do not take it lightly. Very important. The MCQs, this 30 marks are really going to be very crucial, right? So let's get going with the first MCQ. So only 21% of the people got it right. So approximately I think 40-45 people answered it. Only 21% got it right. So let's see the right solution. Following information is gathered from the records of the newly formed XYZ Limited. Closing stock of inventory is given 50,000. Closing stock of finished goods is given 1,50,000. Credit sales of rupees 6 lakh. Debt collection period of 2 months. Annual consumption of raw material is 1,30,000. Credit period allowed by suppliers is 2 months. 10% safety margin to be maintained. Calculate the amount of working capital. The first thing is, for the amount of working capital, this is a newly formed company. The first thing that you have to see is whether it is a newly formed company or not, right? Now, for the amount of working capital, what we need? Current assets. For current assets, what is given to us? Sir, inventory amount is given to us 50,000. That is inventory of raw material. FG is given 1,50,000. Debtors, we can calculate, yes sir, sales are given 6 lakhs and a credit period of 2 months. So debtors is 1 lakh rupees. Your total current assets will be 3 lakh. Right, now coming to the current liabilities. For the current liabilities, what you have is creditors for raw material. Now here is the twist in this. Because it is a newly formed firm, for the creditors for raw material, what you need is, you need purchases. How will you calculate purchases? Purchases will be consumption plus closing stock. The consumption is given to you 1,30,000, closing stock of 50,000, total 1,80,000. So your creditors will be 1,80,000. Credit period allowed is 2 months. So it will be 30,000 your creditors for raw material. Your working capital now will be 2,70,000 plus 10% is the safety margin, 27,000. So the correct answer is 2,97,000. So only 21% got it right. That is 2,97,000. Correct. This is the solution for your one MCQ. So every day we are posting the MCQ challenge on the YouTube community. So please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. Next MCQ. Cost of goods sold is given. Admin production expenses are given 12 lakh. Selling and distribution expenses are given. Debtors collection period 2 months. Amount of debtors for working capital. First thing, when you are calculating the amount of debtors, what you need is cost of sales. Right? And surprisingly, out of 50 people who answered, only 18% got it correct. That means the rest of you need to work really hard. Now, what will be the cost of sales? Cost of sales will be cost of goods sold. Will you add this admin production expenses? No, sir. The admin expenses you will not add because this is the admin production expenses. Remember the cost sheet. Admin production expenses are already included while calculating cost of goods sold. So here it will be COGS plus selling and distribution. That is total of 60 lakhs into 2 by 12. So the answer will be 10 lakhs. Right? So the answer will be 10 lakhs that you will get. So this was the correct answer. Please keep working on the MCQs and keep attempting the MCQ challenge. Will be up with the more videos, more solution videos on the MCQ. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.